Hi everybody, and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you when will Google Maps update. So, we don't have the fixed schedule when will the Google Maps updated, but we have a lot of information updated daily or even hourly or even real time. If it goes to traffic or something like that, it's real time. Even the building sites, etc., it's real time. If it goes to Street View, it is updated. Not fixed schedule, but Google has the website where we can check the time ranges of our places when they will be here and take photos. This website is called google.com/Street View. Let me show you this website. This is this website, and here now we have to scroll down till we see this Google car. Here we can select our location, the state or the voivodeship, and now we have to tap View District. And here, as you can see, we have the time ranges. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.